Create your own warehouse management program for 756 items. Create the label fields from 1 to 14. Right-click the first sheet tab and select View Code. In the VBA editor, click the Toolbox icon. Left-click the Label control in the toolbox, and then left-click an empty space in User Form 1. Label 1 is now located in User Form 1. Create 4 more labels in the same way, labeled Label 2 through Label 5. In the VBA editor, click on Frame 1, and then on the Toolbox icon. In the toolbox, click on the Label box control, and then click in an empty area of Frame 1. Label 6 is now in Frame 1. Create 8 more labels in the same way, from Label 7 to Label 14. Double-click User Form 1 in the VBA editor with the left mouse button. Enter the code from the video description into the Activate procedure. Open the worksheet and then the input mask. Formatted labels from Label 1 to Label 14 will be displayed.